In the sparkling blue ocean, there lived a tiny fish named Herring. Herring was not like the other fish. He was smaller, but he had a heart that was as big as the ocean. One day, Herring noticed something unusual. A small crab was stuck in a net, struggling to free itself. Herring felt a surge of kindness and swam towards the net. "Oh, little crab," said Herring, "I see you're having trouble. Let me help you." With all his might, Herring pushed and pulled at the net. The crab was soon free, and both swam away, grateful and happy. The next day, Herring found a turtle who was stuck on a sharp rock. Herring swam up and down, trying to push the turtle off. After several attempts, the turtle was finally free. Word spread about Herring's kindness, and soon, other fish began to look up to him. Herring didn't mind the attention. He was just happy to help. One day, a big fish named Shark came to the ocean. He was known for bullying other fish. When Herring saw this, he decided to help. "Shark," said Herring, "you don't have to bully others. We can all live peacefully together." Shark laughed, but Herring didn't back down. He stood tall and spoke with conviction. Seeing Herring's bravery, Shark was impressed. From that day forward, he stopped bullying the other fish. Herring became a hero in the ocean. He showed everyone that size doesn't matter. What matters is kindness, bravery, and a big heart. And so, Herring the brave little fish lived happily in the sparkling blue ocean, always ready to lend a helping fin to those in need. The end.